What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are, we're back in the garage, and today we have a mystery box. Alright guys, so here we are. As you know, a lot of companies offer mystery boxes on their website. So you're a car guy, I'm a car guy, I guess car guy, gal, however you want to look at it. But the one thing that we all enjoy doing is cleaning our cars and keeping them clean and actually being able to drive them, enjoy them, and putting the proper coatings on the paint to have them out pretty much in any weather, or when we get caught in bad weather, or if you happen to take your C8 out in snow, you want to make sure it's protected. So what I did was I reached out to the guys at Detailing Connect. Detailing Connect is a website full of some of the top end products. You know, your chemical guys, your griots, Limitless, Synergy, Nanoskins, all those companies, plus about 10 more, even like Flex Tools for all the fun tools you need to clean your car. They offer all of those. And the best part is, since I've been working with them, they're always in stock and they ship within 2 days. So for me to be able to order something, have it in 2 days, and have it in my garage and ready to work on my car, that's a huge benefit, especially instead of going to the store and trying to figure out what you need. So on their website, they offer 2 mystery boxes. One is a small box for $29.99, and one's a larger box for $59.99. I bought the $59.99 box, and I figured today we're gonna crack it open, see what's inside, and see if it's really worth the $59.99. So, without further ado, here we go. So, hopefully this won't end up in a trip to the hospital. So I bought the box, and truthfully, I do have certain car products I do enjoy. So I reach out to them a lot for griots and for chemical guys. I do like their products. So Detailing Connect has a great price structure, and they're always on point with everything that I need. So here we go. Let's open up the box and see what we have inside. So it's well packaged. I will tell you, it was kind of heavy. So here we have some nozzles. Let's see what these all go to. Slide this back. And for all you car guys, I'm laying stuff directly on the paint because, well, we buy things to protect our paint. So right now, so far we have 4 different bottles. So we definitely have 4 bottles of something inside of here. So that's exciting. So first things first, Detailing Connect has microfiber cloths. So here we have 2 microfiber cloths. We have a wheel scrubber from Easy Detail. So nice little scrub brush for your wheels. Here we have from Jakesvette Ultralock Plus, so ceramic coating, which definitely need this. We're going to use this in the front of the car because, well, as you know, the car has already seen a little bit of a rather rough environment here in Pennsylvania. Next product, G Technique I2 Tri Clean. So all surface interior cleaner. We're going to check that out, see what that's worth. Buffing pads from Lake Country. Lake Country makes awesome buffing pads. I know a lot of people are like their standard ones, but I've done a lot with their stuff so far. And this, the finishing pad, this is fantastic for applying wax and for removing extra wax residue. Next we have Retaliate Wheel Cleaner, as you can see here. So nice bottle of wheel cleaner. From Eurofiber, the ultimate random orbital microfiber pad. So again, another nice pad. Look at this, from griots. I mean, griots alone, come on, this is definitely not cheap. So bug and smudge remover. This is great to have laying around your car. I always keep a bottle of Detailer and something like this in my vehicle, especially when you go to car shows, because when you drive there, you never know what you're going to encounter along the way, especially with springtime coming up and bugs coming out. So this here, that's right there worth it in itself to me. Next we have Sonax, right there, Brilliant Shine Detailer. This here, I love these detailer waxes. They are just great for those last minute cleanups. Real nice things. Again, perfect for going for shows, you know, especially with the pads or the wipes right here. So definitely a nice little package to have those two together. And right here, CarPro Clarify. So glass cleaner, it's funny, there's a lot of different glass cleaners out there, and I used to own a lot of Jeeps, and you know, with the plastic windows, you're always very particular about your glass cleaner. So this stuff here is awesome. So there we go. We have 4 different bottles. Also have, and also have a note in here. This note right here is probably the funniest part of this. So the guys from Detailing Connect do watch the channel, and they actually saw how my poor cars do get driven, and they put me a note about in case Don drives the car. So well, I did let one of my friends drive the car, and there was some damage done to it, but it was all in good fun. So these guys are hilarious. The fact they actually did reach out to me and give me that. So there's the box. As you can see, we ended up with 2 polishing pads, nice set of microfiber wipes, the detailer, wheel cleaner, the G-Technique interior cleaner, which is awesome. It's good for any surface. Window cleaner, and bug and smudge remover. And last but not least, we have 2 more things. We have the ceramic coat, and we have this wheel brush. So in general, minus the actual soap you needed to wash your car, this kit came with everything needed. So I'll be honest, I just opened this box up, so I don't know what the true tally is. So we're gonna put a tally together here, so just hang tight. All right, everyone. I know you're wondering because it took me a while to gather all these numbers up because honestly, there's so much stuff here. So I went on Detailing Connect's website and went through the price and wrote them all down individually. After I did that, I went out on the internet and said, you know what, I'm gonna benchmark these guys to really see where they are in the market and see how competitive and really, you know, where they are with pricing and shipping, and to see what the value, if it's really worthwhile to go to Detailing Connect and to buy one of these mystery boxes. So, total value of the box? Well, I can tell you that 3 items are the value of the box, number 1. So, with that being said, total value of the box was $171. So, for $59.99 shipped in 2 days, you get a bunch of cool cleaning products and a bunch of fun stuff to trial and a bunch of good brand name products. So I went and looked through them, and honestly, there were really no poor reviews on everything that came out of that box. So if you guys want, please leave comments below. Let me know what products you use, which ones you like, what you don't like, or if you recommend any other products that are better than the ones that are shown here. So as of today, I have not used a single one of these products besides the griots on any of my vehicles in the past. So these are all new to me. I'm excited to try them out. I'll let you guys know what I think. I'm gonna try them on this. I'm also gonna try them on the old Sequoia over here to see how well those buffing compounds work, because truthfully, the paint on the Corvette really doesn't need to be buffed yet. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Please feel free to reach out to Detailing Connect, or if you have a website you prefer, note it below. Let me check it out, because I'm all about trying to buy some of these mystery boxes and see what we end up with and trial the products out in our vehicles. So feel free with any questions. Thanks for watching, and talk to y'all soon.